Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Ramona Abante. I'm 34 years old, married with two kids. My daughter is 14 years old and my son is 10 years old. I am working here in Hong Kong for almost 9 years with the same employer. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, cooking, but my priority here is taking care of the children. Before I come here, my work in the Philippines is a cook for 5 years in the same employer. I really love to cook and I really love to take care of the children. At the age of 12, I started to work as a helper. So that's why I know how to take care of the baby at the age of 12. I hope you will like me, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. God bless.